Hey everyone, this is the first day of our vlogs. I'm gonna have to get used to not looking at myself in the camera, so bear with me. And I'm also gonna have to get used to holding the camera up enough to where you can see me, so bear with me. I'm also gonna have to get used to talking to you guys around other people, so bear with me, because people will look at me like I'm crazy just because I'm talking to the camera. But today was just a regular day. It's actually the afternoon now, and I'm out with Kimberly. And say hi, Kimberly.
Hi.
I'm out with Kimberly, and we're on our way to Dollar Tree, which is my store. If you know me, you'll know that that is my store. I literally love Dollar Tree. You can get anything you want for the low at Dollar Tree, even stuff that you find at Target or Walmart. And you got it, baby girl?
I want to do it the way I caught.
Okay. But yeah, you can find it at Dollar Tree. So I love it. So now I'm almost there, and I'll see you guys at Dollar Tree. Hi you guys, so we made it to Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna see, I'm going right over to the bread aisle, right Kimberly? And it doesn't look like they have any good bread. No bread, no Petridge Farms this week, so that sucks. And the bread here looks a little stale, so that sucks too. Alright, let's go get some other stuff. Oh, my veggie patties, gotta get those. Yes, baby. These amazing. Alright guys, so we left at a Dollar Tree. They didn't have crap in there. It seemed like all the good stuff was ran through and taken already, and they didn't really have much in there. I think they're waiting for new shipments. Other than that, we went into the supermarket to go pick up some meat and stuff. So yeah, that's what we did next. I couldn't really vlog because my hands were full with the cart and Kimberly. Say hi, Kimberly. Yeah, so my hands were full. And my hands are full now because we're walking back home with the cart. I don't know how well this footage is going to be because, like I said, you guys gotta bear with me and get used to me holding the camera upright and the angles. So hopefully you just bear with me as it gets better over time and I get more used to it. But yeah, we're walking back home, and we'll see you guys. Hey everyone, I'm with the fam. We're all together. Say hey. All right, so we just finished picking the kids up from school. Oh, okay. Yeah.
Thank you.
We just finished picking up the kids from school, and now we're on our way to The library. Yep. Come this way. On this side. Follow Daddy. Leon. Follow Daddy. But yeah, we're on our way to the library. You can see the school buses. It's after school time. You guys come on the inside now, because I don't want you outside of the by the street. But yeah, we got to return some DVDs, and we're just gonna go hang out and have a little after school family time. Right, babe?
Yeah. We gotta make sure we get a table when we get there, otherwise.
Yeah. Hopefully it's not crowded because it's after school time and there's a lot of kids that's gonna be there. Come on, Leon, you gotta look up. Yep, that's like your book bag, Kimberly. Walk with Daddy. I don't know. All right. We'll see you guys at the library. Hi everyone. So me and the family are at the park right now. We're actually going on a nature hike, and I'm gonna have some s'mores around a campfire. We're really excited. I've done this a lot when I was younger, camping and stuff like that, but the hubby has not done it before and the kids have not done it, so it'll be a first for a majority of the family, and we're gonna have a really good time this evening. We're supposed to have this s'mores around the sunset, so we're gonna take you with us today as we do it. It's Sunday, so the kids have school tomorrow, but we figured this would be the perfect way to end the weekend. Okay.
Hi guys. Why chipmunks live here?
passion. Some of the native plants we have here, this is called pokeberry. It's a plant that Native Americans actually use in dyes and paints, and you can see why. It has a really strong, nice, vibrant purple color to it. It's definitely inedible, and one of the ways you can tell when a plant is inedible, this has been ripe for weeks to months already, and none of the birds have been eating it at all. Yeah. So if animals can't eat it, definitely humans can't eat it either. So when you see a fruit this abundant, that's a real red light to be suspicious that it's not edible. So this plant here with the orange, yellow, cone-like flowers, definitely one of my all-time favorite plants. It's called jewelweed because it serves a lot of really important purposes. I saw hummingbirds right in these flowers here. So hummingbirds like to feed on the nectar of this cone-like plant. They use a really thin beak to get in and drink the nectar. And it's actually known to be one of the remedies to poison ivy. So it has juicy stem that you can actually use sort of like aloe vera to calm any skin irritations. And the best part about the plant is these seeds that it has, which are loaded in this capsule that actually will explode. You're scared of a seed?
Okay, so we're in the dark because it's really late at night. And we're still walking. We finished our hike and we're gonna go by the fire to eat some s'mores. And we had a good time. Leon was a little scared, right?
But you braved it out, bro.
Yeah.
Right, Leon?
Good morning, you guys. So it's the next morning from our little hike and s'mores trip. It got really dark really fast, and it's not supposed to get so dark so fast yet still, but I guess fall is really coming strong. So it got really dark really fast. We were supposed to go on the hike as the sun went down and then eat the s'mores as the sun set. But the trees in the woods area that we were hiking in, you know, there were trees covering the trail. So it made it look darker than it actually was on the trail. So it's really hard to record during the trail part of it when we got into the woods. And then by the time we got out of the trail, it was already dark outside. I hope we got enough footage for you guys to see what we've experienced. The kids had a great time. The park rangers were really, really nice, and it was a really fun experience, and I'm happy we went. Yeah, I'm gonna close this video out now. I know you guys didn't see a lot of the whole family maybe in this vlog, and that will get better over time. Like I said, please excuse my angles with, you know, my camera angles. I'm not a professional videographer, so excuse that, and excuse yeah, just a lot of the imperfections in this video. It'll get better over time and as we get used to vlogging, but we really enjoyed doing this one, and there will be more. I want to try to put out a vlog once a week. It may be a little less than that starting off, and then as we continue to do it, it'll get more frequent and more consistent with the once a week deal. But yeah, this channel is not going to just be about vlogs. It's going to have some videos that I'm going to do just by myself, some videos that Leondre will do just by himself, and maybe some videos that the kids will put out. I don't know. Just come along for our journey, I guess, you know. So you guys have a good week, and I'll see you guys next time in the next video.